Hi everybody, welcome back with Teacher Mat, thinkingmaths.com, tuition with Ahmad. So today we are going to continue our study on basic algebra. So we are going to investigate the difference now between ay plus by and ay times by. Let's see. Last time we learned that if we have different um, different unknown. For example, a plus b, you cannot do anything. You just maintain it a plus b. Now, ay plus by, whereby there is one letter, there is one unknown, which is similar. So, what should we do? Now, this is the answer. You have to identify and you have to identify whether the terms are like or unlike. So now ay and by is different. Although one of the letters or one of the unknown is similar. So ay is a different term from by. Therefore, the answer will be the same. Oops. You cannot just add like two mangoes, 2m different. This is you have to maintain like a plus b equal to a plus b. So ay plus by also equals ay plus by. Of course. Okay? Alright. Ay plus by is the basic. Although it may be, you can expand it and factorize it, but this is not the factorizing class. You can factorize it by y as the factor, but if at this stage we just stop at this answer, which is correct, which is accepted as ay plus by. What about ay times by? Okay, you see, as you know, 4 times you just combine it. You just combine it. A, y, b, y. As easy as that. But normally we follow alphabetical order. A, B, Y, Y. Yes. And the most popular one will be this, which is AB. Of course, oh, right. Cannot see the Y with the green, but change it to the color you can contrast well. So blue, AB, Y, squared. Because there are two Y. Y times Y is not squared. So ABYY, ABY squared. That is the answer. So I hope you understand it's pretty clear and you can master it very fast like a professor. Mathematics professor. Okay, see you again. Goodbye.